Ah, yes. This was what I meant to do, only I hadn't pressed record, which was a bit stupid. Here is my actual picking up the birds, for once. They may be migrants, but these type don't drain the economy. So, there's two families of goslings about here somewhere. I haven't seen them yet. And there's a little drake in the background there, which is nice enough. These can get a bit arsey, but hey ho, when they don't know when their next meal's coming from, that's fair enough. Okay, we'll see if we can get close. You heard them both hiss there, didn't you? Okay, see you in a bit.